Welcome to first PU online classes. Today we will discuss the continuation of the properties of vector product or cross product. Now next property is there, that is our next property here A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar means the vector product in rectangular components. Vector product in rectangular components. Now here what is here, A bar is equal to, we are writing in the rectangular components means we are writing along the x axis, y axis and z axis, or we are writing in x comma y comma z components. Axi plus ay j cap, axi cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. This is I am writing as a bar, vector A bar. Next B bar I am writing as a bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. These are the, here what is the rectangular components of the A vector and rectangular components of the B vector. Means this is I am splitting along the three axes, along the x axis, along the y axis and along the z axis. Similarly B bar also we are writing bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Now I want to find the what is here A bar cross B bar. How to find the A bar cross B bar? Means how to make the vector product or cross product. How to make the vector product and cross product? Here this is ax I cap. This is the what is here ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Here cross off. Here bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. We are writing like this. Now this is we are writing here, this is in the place of the A bar I am writing the ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. In the place of the B bar bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Now I want to find the A bar cross B bar. How to find the A bar cross B bar here? Listen. First of all I am making here ax term is multiplying with this all terms. Now what is that, in this I am taking as a one term, that one term I am multiplying with in this total terms. Means I am taking the one term in the A bar vector, that is multiplying with total terms in the B bar vector. Now what is I am making here, this is ax bx, ax into bx. Directly we are writing ax into bx. Why writing means these are the scalars. Already we know that suppose any vector we are writing here A bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 4k, means 2, 3, 4 are the scalars. Scalars we can multiply directly. So here scalars are we are multiplying the directly ax and bx. What are the vectors here? Unit vectors I cap and I cap. So what is I am writing here, I cap cross I cap. I cap cross I cap is completed. Next I want to make the ax by here I cap cross j cap. I cap cross j cap. Next ax bz I cap cross k cap. I cap cross k cap. Here ax bx I cap cross I cap. Ay by ax bx I cap cross I cap. Ax by I cap cross j cap. Next ax bz I cap cross k cap. Okay. Next similarly we can take the next term here. Now what is the next term here? Plus ay bx. This term I am taking, this is multiplying with this total terms. Here ay bx into j cap cross I cap, j cap cross I cap plus ay by into j cap cross j cap, ay by into j cap cross j cap. Next ay bz into j cap cross k cap, j cap cross k cap. Here next this term also over. Next we are coming here az bx into, I am coming to this term az bx into k cap cross I cap next AZ BY into K cap cross J cap, next AZ BZ into K cap cross K cap, K cap cross K cap. Right, once again we will check here. AX BX into I cap cross I cap, AX BY into I cap cross J cap, here AX BZ into I cap cross K cap, next AY BX into J cap cross I cap, here AY BY into J cap cross J cap, next AY BZ into J cap cross K cap, next AZ BX into K cap cross I cap, next AZ BY into K cap cross J cap, next AZ BZ into K cap cross K cap. Right. Now we know that already the relations among the I cap, J cap and K cap. Here I cap cross I cap is equal to what is here? 0. We know that already, we have discussed it in the previous classes. Now I cap cross I cap value is equal to what is here? 0. So what is I am writing here? AX BX into 0. Next to AX BY into I cap cross J cap. We know that here we are taken like this, I J K. We know that already relation. I cap cross J cap, I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. Here J cap cross K cap is equal to what is here? I cap. J cap cross K cap means K after what is coming here? I is coming. Next K cap cross I cap. K cap cross I cap is equal to what is here? J cap. Here I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. J cap cross K cap is equal to I cap. Next K cap cross I cap is equal to J cap. When writing in the reverse, J cap cross I cap is equal to minus K cap. This is not in the order. I after J coming. When the order is not there, minus is coming. Here K cap cross J cap. This is also not in the order. Here K after I is coming, because I am showing here I after J, J after K, K after I, like this. Here but K cap cross J cap, this is not in the order, so coming as a what is here? Minus. Next what is here? I cap cross K cap. This is also not in the order. Not in the order means I after J. Actually I after what is coming? J. But I after we are multiplying with K. So what is coming here? Minus J. When order is there, plus. When the order is not there, minus. We can remember like this. AX BY into I cap cross J cap is equal to what we know that here? K cap. Next what we know that here? AX BZ into I cap cross K cap. I cap cross K cap is equal to what we know that here? Minus J cap. I cap cross J cap is equal to minus J cap. Next I am writing this one. Next term I am writing here plus, or this total terms I am writing here. Listen here. This is I am writing here this total terms. Now this is the what is here? I J K. We know that here this is already we are written this one. Here I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. J cap cross K cap is equal to I cap. Next K cap cross I cap is equal to J cap. Now when order is not there, J cap cross I cap is equal to minus K cap. K cap cross J cap is equal to minus I cap. Now I cap cross K cap is equal to minus J cap. We know that this one. Now I am writing these all terms here. This is A bar cross B bar is equal to, this is what is here? AX into BX. Same unit vectors is there, their cross product is 0. Already we are derived this one. I cap cross I cap is equal to what is here? 0. Similarly I cap cross I cap is equal to 0. J cap cross J cap is equal to 0. K cap cross K cap also equal to 0. We know that this one. From this AX BX into 0 plus next AX BY into I cap cross J cap. I cap cross J cap is equal to K cap. next ax bz into I cap cross j cap is equal to k cap. Next ax bz into I cap cross k cap. I cap cross k cap is equal to what is here? Minus j cap. Clearly listen here. Next coming to this term, plus ay bx into j cap cross I cap. J cap cross I cap is equal to minus k cap. J cap cross I cap is equal to what we know that here, minus k cap. Next ay by into j cap cross j cap is equal to 0. Next ay bz into j cap cross k cap. J cap cross k cap is equal to I cap. Okay, plus next to az bz into k cap cross I cap is equal to what is here? J cap. Plus az by into k cap cross j cap. K cap cross j cap is equal to minus I cap. K cap cross j cap is equal to minus I cap. Next az bz into k cap cross k cap is equal to 0. We are completed all these terms using these formulas. Right. Next see here. Now a bar cross b bar is equal to, now this value is equal to 0 plus here ax by into, this is I am taking the first of all I cap terms I am writing first of all. Listen clearly. This is 0 is there, remaining first we can write like this, 0 plus ax by, here this is into k cap, directly I am writing here, minus plus into minus minus ax bz into k cap, ax bz into j cap, ax bz into j cap. Next plus ay bx, here plus into minus minus ay bx into k cap. Okay, plus 0 again ay bz into I cap. Next az bz into, here what is here? Az bx into, here this is az bx into see here, this is what is here? az bx. Next az by, next az bz. Observe here, az bx into j cap. Now what is here? This is plus into minus minus again coming here, this is a plus into minus minus az by into I cap, here remaining plus 0. Clear up to this one. Now what is here? A bar cross b bar is equal to, what is coming here? First of all I am taking the I cap terms are taking common, here I cap taking outside, remaining ay bz minus az by. Az by, that is I cap term is completed. Next j cap term, I am taking the minus j cap, I am taking the minus j cap, I am taking the outside. Here minus I am taking means this term coming first, ax bz minus taking common here, ax bz, here minus taking common means here plus is there, minus taking common means remaining is minus az bx. Okay, plus k cap into, k cap term taking the common, k cap term taking the common means here what is here? Ax by minus of ay bx. When k cap term taking the common, this is called as a bar cross b bar. We are getting a bar cross b bar like this. Next this a bar cross b bar we can find in the simple method, that is called as the determination method. Which method is there? That is called as a determination method is there. That is, we are using determination method. In the determination method also we can find the A bar cross B bar. How to find the determination method? This is a simple method for finding the cross product. That method is called as a determination method. What is the determination method? This is a general method. What is the general method? The final value what is coming here, A bar cross B bar is equal to, this is the final value we are coming. This is in the general method. In the determination method also we find this value. This is also we are getting the what is the same value. What is the same value we are getting in the general method? That is same value we get in the what is here determination method also. So simple method is there. That is what is the determination method we will see here. Here both answers we will compare here. Now we will make in the determination method. That is called as a simple method. For problem solving we are using this method only, determination method. That is a very simple method. This is a here general method. Here what is the answer coming in the general method? Same answer coming in the determination method also. So here what we know that here this is A bar is equal to what we know that here Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Next to B bar is equal to Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Okay, this is coming. Now this is general. Here this is we are writing A bar and B bar values. Here next we find in the determination method A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar I am finding in the which method here? Determination method. A bar cross B bar. How to find in the determination method? See here. First you write like this. I cap, J cap and K cap. This is a method for solving the simple method for solving the problems. This is one of the technique. Now I cap, comma J cap, comma K cap. Next to here first I cap, J cap, K cap unit vectors we are written. First I am making A bar cross B bar. A bar cross B bar means here what are the coefficients of I cap, J cap, K cap in the A bar is there. We have to write that one. Now first I am writing A bar cross B bar means first write the Ax, Ay, Az. These are the coefficients of I cap, J cap, K cap in the A bar. Now the coefficients in the B bar also we can write here. Now what will the coefficients is there here? Bx, By, Bz. That is we are writing in the B bar. Okay, clear up to this one. Now these are the coefficients in the A bar. These are the coefficients in the B bar. This is I am writing in the A vector. This is writing in the B vector. Now these are the what is there I am writing here. Suppose B bar cross A bar is asking. How to make here? When asking the B bar cross A bar, we can write like this. I, J, K. First what will be there here? B is there. So B coefficient right here. Bx, By, Bz. Next A is there. Ax, Ay, Az. We will make like this when asking the B bar cross A bar. When asking the A bar cross B bar, we are following this method. Now next how to make this what is here determination. Now determination how to make here? This is a method for finding the determination. Actually it is coming in the mathematics in the matrices in the second year. That topic is there, that is coming in the matrices. But you can listen here. This is a what is the method we are following here only. We can listen this one. This is actually coming in the mathematics easily. That is in the mathematics you can understand total clearly, but I am just explaining how to solve the problem in the determination method. Now this is I cap into here I cap row and column. Leave it. I cap row. This is what is here row. This is what is here column. Row and column, leave it. Remaining write down. I cap into determination of. I cap into determination of Ay, Az, By, Bz. Right. After I cap, next what is here? J cap. When writing the J cap, minus J cap you have to write here. This is a method. We write the what is here? Minus J cap. Here now, first when writing the I cap, I, row and column we are removing. Remaining we are writing. Remaining what is here? Ay, Az, By, Bz. Okay. Now next when writing the J cap row and column, leave it. J cap, this is a row, this is a column, leave it. Remaining write down. Remaining what will be there here? Ax, Az, By, Bz. Ax, Az, Bx, Bz. Clearly understand. First I cap, row and column leave it, remaining write down AY, AZ, BY, BZ. For J cap, row and column leave it, remaining write down AX, BZ, AX, AZ, BX, BZ. Next, simply you can make the like this marks, easily we can write here. Next, what is here? Plus K cap. First plus, after minus, next plus. Now K cap, this is a row, this is what is a column, leave it, remaining write down. Here row and column leave it, remaining write down. What will be there here? AX, AY. What will be there here? BX, BY. Listen, once again I am explaining. Listen clearly. First I cap, row and column leave it, remaining write down. I cap, AY, AZ, BY, BZ, remaining. This is row and column, leave it. This is leave it, this is leave it, remaining write down. Next, after writing the I cap, we can write the minus J cap. Minus is coming. First plus, minus, plus, again write, means my minus is coming. Now what is there? Minus J cap, this column, this row leave it, remaining AX, AZ, BX, BZ. Next K cap. K cap, what is a row? This is a row, this is a column, leave it. Remaining AX, AY, BX, BZ, BX, BY. Remaining BX, BY. This row and column, leave it. Remaining write down AX, AY, BX, BY. We are writing like this. This is a method here. Okay, now this determination how to find here. Suppose here A, B, C, D, Z, the determination of this is called as a determination. How to find the determination means we are making like this. AD, A into D, in between put the minus BC, AD minus BC. This is a method for finding the determination. AD minus BC. Now A into D, in between put the minus BC. This is a method for finding the determination of this one, A, B, C, D. Now this is called as a 2 into 2 matrix. It is coming in the matrix, you can understand clearly. In the 2 into 2 matrix determination, how to find here? A into D minus BC. Now what is coming here? This is I cap into, this is multiply this one, I cap into, this is what is there? AD minus BC. Already we know that one. AD minus BC means this is AD, this is BC. This is generally we are comparing with A, B, C, D is equal to AD minus BC. From this I am writing. Now what is getting here? AY, BZ, AY, BZ minus of AZ, BY. Clear? Here minus J cap into, here AX, BZ, AX, BZ minus of AZ, BX, minus of AZ, BX, plus K cap into what is here? AX, BY, AX, BY minus of what is here? AY, BX, minus of AY, BX. Now this is a, here what is here? AY, BZ minus of AZ, BY. Here minus J cap into AX, BZ minus of AZ, BX. Next what is there? K cap into AX, BY minus of AY, BX. Same value we are getting. This is a value we are getting in the, here what is a determination method. This is we are getting in the determination method. This value I am getting in the determination method. This value I am getting in the general method. What is the coming in the general method? Same value coming in the determination method. That's the reason I am simple method is there. That's the reason I am preferring the determination method for solving the problems of cross product or vector product. Right, we will see the one problem we can understand clearly. This is the last property of the vector product or cross product. Okay, next we will see the one problem here, that is here find the scalar product, find the scalar product and vector product of, find the scalar product and vector product of, find the scalar product and vector product of two vectors. I am consider as a bar is equal to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap. This is a bar vector. Next b bar vector I am writing minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap. This is a bar vector, this is a b bar vector. I have considered as a two vectors. This is a bar and b bar. We find the what is here scalar product and vector product. First to find the scalar product. Scalar product means we know that here dot product. Already we know that we are studied in the work power energy chapter. Dot product. How to make the dot product here? A bar cross b bar I am making here. A bar dot b bar, that is scalar product or dot product. A bar dot b bar I am finding here. A bar dot b bar is equal to 3 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 5 k cap dot. Here dot product means I am putting the dot here. Dot into minus 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3 k cap. Now I am making the dot product. How to make the dot product here? First of all, we know that here 3 into 2. Directly I am multiplying the coefficients. 3 into minus 2 into I cap dot I cap. 3 into minus 2. Here minus is there, I am taking the bracket here. Next to here minus 4 into. This is a minus 4 into, here there is no value means 1. Minus 4 into 1, here minus is there, I am taking bracket here. Minus 4 into 1 into j cap dot j cap. Okay, plus 5 into minus 3. 5 into minus 3 into k cap dot k cap. This is a method for finding the dot product. Already we know that. Directly I cap dot I cap. Directly I am making j cap dot j cap, k cap dot k cap. Directly I am multiplying the I cap coefficients with I cap coefficient, j cap coefficient with j cap coefficient, k cap coefficient with k cap coefficient. We know that this method. Now here what is a 3 2 is a minus 6. I cap dot I cap is equal to 1 in the dot product. Here minus 4 into j cap dot j cap also value equal to 1. We know that in the dot product. Now 5 into 3 is equal to minus 15. Plus into minus minus. K cap dot k cap is equal to 1. Now what is we are getting here? Minus 6, minus 4, minus 15. Here 6, 4, 10, minus 15 is equal to what is here? Minus 25 units. 25 units. If there is no units is given, so directly I am writing units. This is a bar dot b bar. Next we find the what is here? Vector product. Vector product means this is called as a cross product. What is a cross product? How to find the cross product here? Here A bar cross B bar. They are asking. A bar already we know that, B bar already we know that. Now what we are writing here? This is, I am using the determination method. This is a simple method for finding the what is here? For finding the cross product or vector product, we are using the determination method. Here I cap, j cap into k cap. Next what will be there here? 3 minus 4, 5. Here what will be there here? Minus 2, 1, minus 3. Here minus 2, minus 1, minus 3. Okay. Now A bar cross B bar is equal to, first I cap row and column leave it. remaining write down minus 4 5 1 minus 3. Okay, remaining minus 4 5 1 minus 3. Next here j cap row and column leave it minus j cap, we know that minus is coming here. 3 5 minus 2 minus 3 completed. Next k cap row and column leave it, k cap row and column leave it, remaining write down remaining 3 minus 4 minus 2 1. Okay, right, we are writing this one. Now from this here a bar cross b bar is equal to here I cap into 4 3s are 12 AD minus BC, 4 3s are 12 minus 5 minus 5, 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 4 3s are 12, here minus into minus plus, here in between putting the minus, 1 into 5 is 5, minus j cap into minus 3 3s are minus 9, here minus of, here 5 into 2, 5 into 2 means 5 into minus 2 is equal to minus 10, 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, in between we put the minus, AD minus BC formula. Now plus k cap into 1 into 3 3, here 4 to the 8, plus into my plus, and here what is here, 3 into 1 is equal to 3, here this is a minus into minus plus, so in between compulsory we put the minus, this 4 into 2 is 8, minus into minus is plus, 3 minus 8. Now what is coming here, this is 7 I cap, this is 7 I cap, directly I am writing here, this is I cap into 7 minus j cap into minus 9 plus 10, I am using another step here, here plus k cap into minus 5. Okay, this is what we are getting here, 7 I cap, here what is here, 10 minus 9 is equal to 1, here minus j cap, here minus plus into minus 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 5 k cap, this is the answer here, 7 I cap, here what is we are getting here, this is 7 I cap minus j cap minus 5 cap, when finding the a bar cross b bar. You check it here, here we know that already cross product or vector product does not follow the commutative law. Suppose you can do here, this is b bar cross a bar, I am finding the a bar cross b bar, this is a bar cross b bar, you made b bar cross a bar, when made b bar cross a bar you can get answer like this, minus 7i cap plus j cap plus 5k cap we are getting, this is coming the minus, means why coming the this value means b bar cross a bar value is equal to minus 7i cap plus j cap plus 5k cap is coming when making the b bar cross a bar. You check it, you do this one. Now when coming this one, why coming this one means it cannot follow the commutative law. When making the a bar cross b bar, that value is equal to minus of b bar cross a bar. Right, in your home you can make this one here, this is b, you can find here b bar cross a bar, here b bar cross a bar we getting here minus 7i cap plus j cap plus 5k cap. You check this relation, a bar cross b bar is equal to minus b bar cross a bar is correct or not, you can check using this problem. Right, find the b bar cross a bar, you get the answer this one. You check a bar cross b bar value, you can write here, this is a bar cross b bar minus of b bar cross a bar value, you can get this one, this is we are writing here, here both are the equal. From this we are saying that here what is here, scale, this is a vector product or cross product does not follow the which law here, commutative law. Right, we are getting a bar cross b bar is equal to minus b bar cross a bar. This is a method for finding the a bar cross b bar. You can do b bar cross a bar also. Right, this is a value what is we are getting here, 7i cap minus j cap minus 5k cap. This is a simple method for finding the what is a bar cross b bar, in which method, determination method. Okay, right.